Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. Today I'm giving you the 5 do's and don'ts of seed swapping. Let's get into it. Like I said, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the do's and don'ts of seed swapping. If you don't know what seed swapping is, it's really just, it's kind of self-explanatory. It's just you getting together with someone or contacting someone, whether in a group or in some other type of way, and y'all just swap seeds between the two of you. I've never done seed swapping before this year, but there were a lot of varieties and a lot of different seeds that I wanted to try. And buying seeds can really get expensive, especially if you are geared more towards the heirloom varieties. It can get pretty expensive. So seed swapping is a great way to kind of, get the seeds that you want to try, go ahead and plant them, and then save the seeds for those particular plants at the end of the season. But along the way, because I did not go into seed swapping knowing what I was doing, really knowing a lot about it, like I said, it was my first time, but I learned some pretty key things to consider whenever you are seed swapping. And so I'm going to go over some of those with you guys. This is the first do of seed swapping. Do invest in some type of small bag like this. Also, they have the small envelopes, or like the little packies, they're like this big. You might want to invest in those too, because whenever you're doing the swaps, you don't want to just put the seeds inside the envelope. And I say that because I didn't know, but the USPS is rough. They are rough, and so if you put them in that way, you risk the chance of them falling out or getting damaged, and you don't want that. The second do of seed swapping is invest in some bubble wrap. I think it was one of my first, the first swap that I did, one of the 2 swaps that I did. I sent the seeds, and they messaged me back. They had gotten some sunflowers from me, and they messaged me and they said, "Hey, I got your seeds, but they're all damaged." All the seeds were damaged, and I felt so bad because I didn't have any more to give. And what I realized is when people do seed swapping, they actually really look forward to getting those seeds and using those seeds. Otherwise, they wouldn't ask to swap. And so they do kind of mean a lot to the people who you're doing a swap with. So you want to make sure that you take the extra care to make sure that you're protecting them and they're able to get to their destination safely. You can use bubble wrap, or if you have envelopes like this that already have the bubble wrap inside, that's an option too. You could purchase these, but if you don't want to really do all that, you can just get the bubble wrap, wrap them up, and just make sure that they're protected. The third thing that I wanted to talk about is quantity. Okay? So, these are some peas that I got from a recent seed swap. As you can tell, there's like maybe 10, there's probably, about 10, a little bit more than 10 that's in here. This is a really great swap. Well, on the bigger seeds, you want to make sure that you're putting at least 10 to maybe 15 seeds in a baggie. And also, if they're smaller, you want to make sure that you're at least giving like a healthy pinch of seeds where you can have a little bit more to use. For me, that's like a rule of thumb, because I give what I would like to receive back. So, and I've gotten some messages back, I really appreciate, the amount that you put in, because you don't want to give somebody, especially if they're small, you don't want to give somebody like 3 seeds. That's just not, that's not good seed swapping etiquette. And so I wanted to put that in here, because a lot of people don't know. I didn't know, for other seeds. Let me see if I see some smaller ones. Like someone sent me these, this variety of marigolds, and you can see they put a good amount in there as well. But that's just a rule of thumb, is the quantity. For smaller seeds, you want to put like a healthy pinch in there, and for bigger seeds, at least 8 to 10 or 10 to 15. Now for pepper seeds or tomato seeds, I put about 20 to 25 in there, so they have quite a bit to work with. Number 4, if you don't have a card or a postcard or something to attach the seeds to, you can always use cardboard. This is something that I got from a recent seed swap as well, and she just put it on some cardboard and like with a little thank you on the back. You could do that. You can also use little cards from the Dollar Tree. They're only $1, and you could just attach the seeds to that as well, because you don't want to just put them in there. But you could also, if you don't have that, you could just tape the seeds to the inside of your bubble wrap if you were to get some, and just wrap them that way, put them in the envelope. The last thing that I want to talk about is join a seed swapping group. People swap. I've joined like 2 seed swapping groups, and I really like them. I like the atmosphere of the people, and just have fun. It's kind of fun for me because this is something that I like to do, but I feel like sometimes it is serious to a degree, because you want to make sure that you're doing the right things for the people that you're swapping with, and vice versa. But have fun. It's supposed to be fun. And I say have fun and like kind of be easygoing, because I have seen some crazy stuff. People are serious about seeds, okay? People are really serious about them giving seeds and receiving seeds. And so have fun, but be mindful, be aware of, all the things that I discussed already, but have fun as well and connect with people. So what I like to do is get a little card. It doesn't have to be huge, but like get a little card or something like this, and I just write like a little handwritten thank you note, and some of my social media handles, so we can connect. I like connecting with people, other gardeners, other people who collect seeds, and so write a little note saying thank you, happy gardening. It doesn't have to be like super serious, but it's just something that I like to do to kind of leave that doorway open for future seed swaps and things like that, because really it's just about connecting with other gardeners on something that we all love to do. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.